two areas. Let's rescue them. Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. It's dangerous for the kitten to hide under the car. It refused to come out. Let's attract it with a toy. Yeah, the kitten has come out. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The parrot is right up there. Let's go up and save it. The parrot is still waiting for us. We should hurry up. The parrot was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, I'll leave little animals to you. No problem. Which house will the animals live in? Let's choose for them. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. One of the parrot's wings was broken. Let's give it treatment. The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it.